Hey kid!
Let's learn colors with Velcro cutting.
Surprise! What is this?
Pineapple. I love pineapple. Surprise! Yellow.
Yahoo! What is this?
Eggplant. I love eggplant. I love surprises. Blue.
Surprise! What is this?
Carrot. I love carrots. Yahoo! Orange.
Yahoo! What is this?
Fish. I love fish. So much fun. Pink.
Surprise! What is this?
Apple. I love apple. Amazing. Red.
Woohoo! What is this?
Grapes. I love grapes. Colorful fun. Purple.
Surprise! What is this?
Corn. I love corn. Colorful surprises. Yellow.
Yahoo! What is this?
Strawberry. Surprise! I love strawberry.
Surprise! What is this?
Green chili. I love green chili. So much fun. Green.
Yahoo! What is this?
Banana. I love banana. I love surprises. Yellow.
Surprise! What is this?
Watermelon. I love watermelon. Surprise! Green.
Woohoo! What is this?
Pumpkin. I love pumpkin. Amazing. Orange.
Surprise! What is this?
Tomato. I love tomato. Woohoo! Red.
Yahoo! What is this?
Cabbage. I love cabbage. Surprise! Green.
Hey kid, have fun!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!